Installing your FEELSO shower head is quick and easy. Wrap the threads with the Teflon tape we provide. This prevents leaks. Simply screw the new FEELSO shower head onto the shower arm by hand. No tools needed. Turn on the water, check for leaks, and adjust to your favorite spray mode. That's it. In just a few minutes, you will enjoy cleaner water and a spa-like shower every day. Installing your FEELSO shower head is quick and easy. Simply screw the new FEELSO shower head into the hose by hand. No tools needed. Turn on the water, check for leaks, and adjust to your favorite spray mode.